Children, it is a passing package question paper 2 given by BO and BRC office, Bangalore South, Bangalore East, B36. Now let us solve the question paper. Now let us take the first question. What is that question? If an equals 3n plus 4, if an equals 3n plus 4, then 10th term of an AP is. Then the 10th term of an AP is, here 4 options. Which are the 4 options? A 24, B 42, C 34, D 43. Children, don't guess the answer. Use the formula and find the 10th term here. So you write that an equals 3n plus 4. Here what you have to find out? We have to find the 10th term. So you write A10 equals 3. In the place of n, what you have to write? We have to write 10 because we have to find 10th term. So you write n is 10. 3 into 10 plus 4. 3n plus 4 means 3 into 10 plus 4. That becomes 3 into 10 is 30 plus 4, which is equals to 34. So what is the answer here? Option C is the answer. So you write answer option C, that is 34. Now you take the second question. What is that question? If cos equals 8 by 3, means cos means cosine. Cosine equals 8 by 3, then the value of secant. You know that cosine and secant are reciprocal of each other. Cosine is equals to 1 by secant or secant equals 1 by cosine. So cosine is given means then secant is nothing but the reciprocal of 8 by 3. Cosine is 8 by 3. So secant is the reciprocal of 8 by 3 is 3 by 8. So right, which is the answer here? Option C is the answer. That is answer C, 3 by 8. Children, next you take the third question. Mean of the data 3, 4, 8, 6, 9, 12. Here how will you get the mean? Mean is nothing but sum of all the scores divided by number of scores. That is sigma xi by n. And how many scores are there? How many data are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here 6 scores are there. Find the sum here. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. 21 plus 9, 30. 30 plus 12 is 42. So you can take 6 ones are 6 sevens are. What is the answer? Option A. Sum of all the scores divided by number of scores. Here there are 6 scores. 6 scores are there. So use the formula sum of all the scores divided by number of scores. That is 42 by 6. The answer is 7. So you write answer option A, 7. Next you take the fourth question. Total surface area of the hemisphere whose radius is 7 cm. Children, you must know the formula to find the total surface area of the hemisphere. You know that TSA of hemisphere is equals to 5r square plus 2πr square, that becomes 3πr square. Because you know that hemisphere is having circular base and it is half of the sphere. So 2πr square plus 5r square, you will get 3πr square, that is equals to 3 into 5 value you know, that is 22 by 7 into r. R is how much here? It is given 7 cm. So you write 7 into 7. 7 square means 7 into 7. 7 cancels. Then 3 into 22. You know that 22 3s are 66 into 7. Then 7 6 are 42. Again 7 6 are 42 plus 4 is 46. So what is the answer here? Option A is the answer. So you write answer A. Option A is the answer, that is 462 cm square. Then you take the next question, state Thales theorem. State Thales theorem. That Thales theorem is also called basic proportionality theorem. So what is the statement of the Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem? If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. So let us write here, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points. In distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. This is the statement of Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem. So, in the heading you must write Thales theorem. Then you take the sixth question. Evaluate sine 18 degree into cos 72 degree plus cos 18 degree into sine 72 degree. Here you observe the sum of these two is 90 degree and sum of these two is also 90 degree. So they are complementary angle. 18 degree and 72 degrees are complementary angles, and you know that complementary of sine is cos, complementary of cos is sine. So here you convert 18 degree in terms of 90 minus 72 degree or 72 degree in terms of 90 minus 18 degree in both the cases. So you take here, first you write sine 18 degree into cos 72 degree plus cos 18 degree into sine 72 degree. Then, so you write, you can convert any one here, sine 18 degree. Then you convert this 72 degree in terms of 18, that is 90 minus 18, cos 90 minus 18 degree plus, here you write cos as it is, cos 18 degree. Here also you convert 72 degree. Here 72 degree is converted. So in this side also, here you must convert 72 degree only. If you convert 18 degree here, here also you must convert 18 degree only. So you write that it becomes sine 90 minus 18 degree. Then it becomes sine 18 degree cos 90 minus 18 is, again it is also sine 18. Cos 90 minus 18 degree is sine 18 degree. Plus, you write this as it is. Cos 18 degree as it is. Then sine 90 minus 18 is, again you write, that is also cos 18 degree. Then sine 18 becomes sine square 18 degree plus cos 18 becomes cos square 18 degree. And you know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Here sine square 18 degree plus cos square 18 degree is also 1, because you can write sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. That is the reason why I have taken here sine square 18 plus cos square 18. Here 18 degree, they are the same angle. So it is 1. So you got that this is equals to 1. Therefore you write sine 18 degree cos 72 degree plus cos 18 degree 72 sine 72 degree is equals to 1. Then you take the next question. Write the formula to find curved surface area of the sphere. For sphere, curved surface area and total surface areas are same. So you write here curved surface area. You can write CSA also, curved surface area. Curved surface area of sphere equals 4 pi r square. Then next the question is, construct a circle of radius 5 cm. Draw two tangents from an external point at a distance of 5 cm. That is, from an external point at a distance of 5 cm. That is, from a point 5 cm away from the circle. Here, children, there are video lessons on the construction. Go through that video lessons and try to do the construction. Otherwise, I will give the hint here. So here, what is the radius of the circle? The radius of the circle is 5 cm. So children, take a compass and measure 5 cm radius. Mark a center and draw the circle. So here you will get a center, and you know the radius of the circle. What is the radius of the circle here? That is 5 cm, and external point is 5 cm away from the circle. So here you draw a line of 5 cm. Here up to here is 5. Again here also it is 5. Now here this is a center. This is the external point. This external point is 5 cm from this point. And here what you have to do? You have to draw the tangents. And you go through the video and learn the method of drawing the tangents from the external point. And what is the method here? You take a compass and with OA as a center, take the curve of radius more than the half of this OA. So you can take more than half of this OA and draw the curve above and below. That is from the center O. Next, with A as a center without changing the radius. So you cut the previous curves. So you will get a point here. Both the points to be joined to draw the tangent. Here it is a rough sketch. It is not a exact construction. Just it is discussed. So you go through the video lesson of the construction and do the construction. Now here you got the midpoint. Then you draw the circle with this OA as a diameter. taking this as a center. And here you got 2 points. And join this point to A. You got one tangent. Again, join this 2 point to A. You got other tangent. So you got 2 tangents from the external point A. This is the method of construction. So you take the compass. With the help of the compass, you must draw the circle and also draw the perpendicular bisector and the second circle also. So here these two are the points at which both the circle meet, that is to be joined to the external point. Then you will get the 2 tangents from the external point. That point is 5 centimeter away from the circle. Now you take the 9th question. What is that question? 3x plus y equals 9. 2x plus 3y equals 13. Solve the pair of linear equation by elimination method. So you take the children, this 3x plus y equals 9 and the equation is 2x plus 3y equals 13. Here we have to solve this pair of linear equation by elimination method. You know that in the elimination method we have to eliminate any one of the variable. To eliminate any one of the variable, we have to verify which variable can be eliminated easily. So here you know that the variables must have the same coefficient. Then only you can cancel them, then only you can eliminate them. So here y is having the coefficient 1, here the y is having the coefficient 3. Then you can make the coefficient of y in the first equation by multiplying the first equation by 3. So you consider this is the first equation, this is the second equation. So you write multiplying equation first by how much? 3. Why you have to multiply it by 3? Because to have the coefficient 3 as in the second equation. And second equation is to be multiplied by 1. Or you can take only first equation, or otherwise you write and equation 2 by 1. So it becomes 3 into 3x plus y equals 3 into 9. Multiply both 3x plus y and 9, both LHS and RHS by 3. Then it becomes 9x. 3 into 3 is 9. 9x plus 3 into y is 3y equals 27. Then this equation 2x plus 3y equals 13, that is by 1, means it remains as it is. That is what? 2x plus 3y equals 13. Then here these two got same coefficient and these are having same sign. If they are having same sign, to cancel them, to eliminate them, we have to do the subtraction. So consider this is the third equation, this is the fourth equation. So by third minus fourth. So which is the third one here? 9x plus 3y minus 2x plus 3y. Here you write that in the bracket. That equals 27 minus 13. This minus this. LHS minus LHS. RHS minus RHS. Here we have taken 9x plus 3y minus 2x plus 3. Here we have taken. Then you do 9x plus 3y minus, open the bracket, 2x minus 3y. Here the bracket is opened, so it becomes minus 2x minus 3y 27 minus 13. You know that 7 minus 3 is 4. Then it is 14. 3y cancels. 9 minus 2x is 7x equals 14. So you can write x equals 14 by 7. X equals 14 by 7. Here you got x equals 7 1s are 7 2s are, you got 2. Here you got the value of x. Then to get the value of y, we have to substitute the value of x in any one of the equation. So you take this one. By substituting x equals to in equation first. So what is that equation? 3x plus y equals 9. 3x plus y equals 9. So you write 3 into x value is 2. 2 plus y equals 9. 3 2s are 6. You write 6 plus y equals 9. Then you write y equals 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. Here you got x equals to y equals 3. Therefore you write x equals to y equals 3. That is the solution. Then you take the next question. 10th question. X square minus 15x plus 6 equals 0. Solve the quadratic equation by formula method. Children, you must know the formula to find the value of the variable in the quadratic equation. You must know the quadratic formula of finding the solution of the quadratic equation. So you take down the equation here, that is x square minus 15x plus 6 equals 0. In the first step, you must write the values of the coefficient of x square x, that is a equals, a means coefficient of x square. So what is the coefficient of x square here? 1. So you write a equals 1. B is the coefficient of x, that is minus 15. Then C is the constant, that is 6. This is the 6. C equals 6. Now you write the formula. That is x equals, you write minus b plus or minus whole root b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the formula. Now you substitute the values of a, b and c. Here you write minus as it is. Minus. Then what is the value of b? B value is minus 15. So you write that in the bracket. Minus 15. Then you write plus or minus. Then b square is there, that is minus 15 whole square minus 4 is there, you write 4. A is there. What is the value of A? A is 1. 1 you write. Then C. What is the value of C? C is 6. Then 2 into A means 1. So B square minus 4AC you got in the root. Then X equals minus of minus, that becomes plus. So it is plus 15. So write 15 only. Then you write plus or minus whole root. Minus 15 whole square is 15 into 15 is 225. Then minus 4 into 1 into 6 is 4 6 are 24 by 2. Then x equals, here you simplify, 15 plus or minus 225 minus 24 is 221, that divided by 2. You know that 221 is not a square number. Then you can write it as it is, x equals 15 plus whole root 221 by 2, or x equals, here you wrote plus, then you write 15 minus square root of 221 by 2. These two are the roots. Here the equation is, given quadratic equation is x square minus 15x plus 6. First you write the value of a, b and c, then you write the formula and substitute and you calculate. Next question, find the distance between the points 8 minus 3 and 0, 4. Here we have to use the distance formula. So you take the points here, 8 minus 3, consider this is a point P, and again the second point Q. Here B is there. So let us consider these two are A and B. A 8 minus 3, B 0, 4. So these are x1, y1 and these are x2, y2. Now you write the distance formula. Here A and B are the points. So you write AB. AB equals whole root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. You can also write x1 minus x2, y1 minus y2, but it must be under the root. So x2 is 0, 0 minus x1 is 8, here is 8 whole square plus y2 is 9 minus 3 is there, so write minus 3 whole square. Then AB equals whole root 0 minus 8 is minus 8 whole square plus 9 minus means 9 plus 3 is 12 square. That is AB equals square root of 8 square is 64, 12 square is 144. Then AB is equals to, so you know that 4 plus 4 8, again 4 plus 6 10, it is 208 you got. 64 plus 12 square. Then, and you know that here 204, 2 ones are 2 twos are, again 2 5s are 2 ones are. You can write it as 4 into 51, which is equals to 2 root 51 units. That is the distance between the given two points.